Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Galaxy Watch. First, make sure your Galaxy Watch is fully charged and powered on. Next, download the Samsung wearable application from your phone's App Store, available on both Android and iOS. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone to allow it to discover your watch. This initial preparation takes just a few moments. Now, let's initiate the pairing process. Open the Samsung wearable app on your smartphone. Within the app, you will see an option to Start New Device or Add New Device. Tap on this. Your phone will then search for nearby devices. Select your Galaxy Watch from the list that appears on your screen to begin the connection. Once you've selected your watch, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the watch. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection. You'll then be prompted to grant several permissions, which are essential for the watch's full functionality. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to finalize the setup and personalize your new device. Congratulations, your Galaxy Watch is now connected. You can now explore various watch faces, download new applications, and customize settings directly through the Samsung wearable app. Your watch will seamlessly receive notifications, track your fitness activities, and manage calls. Remember to keep both your phone and watch software updated for the best experience and new features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.